Put a shot on the Crem One 2B pressure profiling machine. Now, one of the settings on the machine is this sort of slow ramp setting, and I absolutely love this setting. It's not a pressure profile as such, it's a specialised DC pump that allows you to start it off with a lower voltage over a certain ramp time. So I'm using a naked portafilter, which I just prefer for the extraction, and I just love this setting. It's just a walk up, point and shoot setting once you set it up, and as you can see, it's gradually ramping the pressure, but it's so quiet. I just really love the fact that it's so quiet. And it does go up to maximum pressure the machine's set at, so I might actually turn that down to about 9 bar to get a slightly lower pressure. And the sound you can hear is a DC brushed motor with a miniature rotary pump. But yeah, it's just very, very cool, very quiet.